What is going on, guys? Thanks for stopping back here to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and get down there and smash the subscribe button. But today, hopefully it ain't too windy for you guys to hear me. But yet, I'm going to be going and doing something under here. You guys can see that, to my opinion, she's a little dirty. So we're going to be trying something that I got here, and it is super citrus, and it is a cleaning product for under the hood. So we're gonna go and spray this and get her all taken care of and get the engine shining under this truck. So go ahead and try this product out and give this product a good review and see how she works and test it out here firsthand, guys. So let's get started. This brush that they sent with this thing, it's like extremely soft. It can make a nice beard brush. But hey. Okay, guys, what do you think? She is all shined up. Everything has been shined. Hey, guys, see that down there? I even shined that all the way down there. If you guys haven't checked this video out, I'll put it up above right here. You guys can click the link to that and go check that video out, installing the cat filters here and on the back of the truck back there. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video there. That was the Super Citrus from JaxWax and the All Shine. Either way, all that stuff came in a kit along with that really soft brush. I don't know if you guys could see me on the video. I could use that to comb my beard with. It was a really soft brush. That thing was nice. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. The engine bay is all cleaned up. I give that stuff like 4 thumbs up. It did an awesome job, which the engine bay wasn't real clean, real dirty anyways. But I'll probably be doing this, and then my car one is absolutely filthy. My wife came up to me when I was doing this and said, "You need to do the car one. It's really filthy." Because the battery went dead the other day, and she's seen it and she was like, "That thing is absolutely filthy. You need to do that one." So I'll probably be doing that one here before long too. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, can get down there and smash the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day, everyone.